Hey everyone!
Hi!
Welcome to this episode of Side Note.
With Nikki.
And Tyler. Well, we've been MIA for the last 3 months.
And we're very sorry about that.
We are very sorry. We really appreciate all of your support you've given us, and it just kind of happened that we kind of just stopped making videos.
Yeah, see, we were making videos and I was at school and Tyler wasn't in school yet. And then he got in school and then I got busy with school and then you're on LA time and it was a mess. It was
a mess. And also we had a lot of technical difficulties trying to record over Skype. It was just a whole thing. But we are back and we are going strong. We just finished recording 12 new videos for you. 12 in one day. 12. We think they're really, really funny. We really think you're gonna like them.
And we're really, really tired.
Pretty much. Let me give you a little lowdown about our new schedule. We are going to do one video a week. The first Friday will be a Together video that we've already recorded. Then following Friday will be a me video. The following Friday will be a Nikki video. And the Friday after that will be another Together video.
Yep.
We think this more spread out schedule will let us be able to post more content and more good content.
Right.
So be sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button for new videos every single Friday.
And make sure to follow us on Facebook, like us, and to leave comments in the section below.
What do you want to see in our
personal
individual videos?
Or when Tyler comes back in 6 months.
So that's it. Subscribe. Pause for just a second. Make sure you don't look at yourself.
What am I supposed to look at?
In the lens.
Ah!